Is your 2013-2014 Cadillac ATS key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common cause. Save time and money by replacing it yourself. This video will guide you through the simple DIY process, costing you just a few dollars and a few minutes. First, locate the seam on the back of the key fob. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam. Carefully pry the case open. Avoid using excessive force. It's designed for easy access. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the polarity, with the positive side up, before removing the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, matching the original orientation. After inserting the new battery, carefully align the two halves of the key fob case. Press them together firmly but gently until you hear a satisfying click, ensuring the seam is aligned and the case is securely closed. This prevents moisture ingress and maintains proper functionality. Now, test the key fob's functionality. Stand near your vehicle, within 30 to 50 feet, and press the lock button. The doors should lock with a confirmation chirp. Then press unlock. The doors should unlock. Finally, test the trunk release button. If all functions work properly, the replacement was successful. If the key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, consult your Cadillac ATS owner's manual for reprogramming instructions. This usually involves using the vehicle's onboard menu. A common cause is corrosion. Check the contacts for corrosion. Wear gloves during the replacement process to prevent transferring skin oils and fingerprints to the battery and internal components of the key fob. These oils can cause corrosion over time and reduce the lifespan of both the battery and the fob's electronic contacts. Always use a fresh, high-quality CR2032 battery from a trusted manufacturer. Old or low-quality batteries may have reduced capacity and could fail prematurely, leading to inconvenience and additional replacements. Check the expiration date before purchasing. When opening the key fob case, if you feel resistance, stop and verify you're applying pressure along the correct seam. Forcing it elsewhere could damage the plastic housing or internal components. The seam is typically visible around the edges and designed for easy separation. Inspect the interior for any moisture or corrosion during battery replacement. If present, clean it thoroughly and apply a thin layer of silicone sealant around the seam before snapping the case back together. This waterproofing extends the life of the new battery and prevents future moisture ingress. As automotive technology evolves, traditional key fobs, like those in your 2013-2014 Cadillac ATS, are being phased out. While your vehicle relies on physical fobs for remote functions, newer models increasingly use smartphone apps and integrated keyless systems that eliminate the need for separate devices. When replacing your key fob battery, proper disposal is crucial. Lithium coin cell batteries like the CR2032 contain hazardous materials that should never be thrown in regular trash. Always take them to designated recycling centers where they can be processed to recover valuable materials and prevent environmental contamination. Improper disposal adds to the growing e-waste problem that affects soil and water quality. While not widely common for the Cadillac ATS, aftermarket options exist for extended-range key fobs that can improve signal strength and range. These can be useful in certain scenarios, though most owners find the standard fob sufficient for daily use.